another 3 minutes, and then let's try to finish spreading our blush on within 3 minutes, guys. But I think 3 minutes is long enough to finish for me to finish spreading this blush on my cheeks, guys. So as you can see, guys, the difference between the other side of my face is see that? I really love this. And when I'm putting blush on, guys, I used to spread it on all over here in my cheeks, and then in my every side of my nose bridge akong nose, wala man gani. just guys, just imagine that I have a nose bridge. Nose bridge. Lingon pislat mga kay kag ilong nose bridge kada. So, and I saw on TikTok, guys, that some other girls are putting their blush on the side of their eyelids. So eyelids, no, eyeshadow. It's not eyelids, it's eyeshadow, guys. So see that? Oh, I'm so pretty, feeling pretty. So I really don't use heavy makeup, guys. I only use this I only use a moisturizing cream and then